If you want to fundamentally shatter the confidence of traditional European and Japanese automotive engineers, you do not show them a spreadsheet of torsional rigidity numbers. You show them pure, unadulterated kinetic violence. Recently, a piece of footage emerged that completely defies everything the West thought it knew about off-road structural integrity. A Deepal G318, a heavy-yawn full-sized sport utility vehicle, was hoisted into the sky by a heavy-lift helicopter and deliberately dropped dead weight directly onto the unforgiving Earth. For over half a century, the global off-road culture has been governed by the strict belief that an impact of this magnitude requires a massive, heavy steel ladder chassis to absorb the apocalyptic trauma. Any traditional unibody SUV subjected to a free-fall drop would suffer catastrophic structural failure. The roof pillars would buckle, the floor pan would crease, and the doors would permanently jam shut as the entire geometry of the vehicle collapsed under its own mass. But when the dust settled around the Deepal G318, the unthinkable happened. The structure did not shatter. The doors opened with perfect millimeter precision. What we are witnessing in this brutal demonstration is not a mere marketing stunt. It is the absolute eradication of human mechanical anxiety. By dropping this machine from a helicopter, the engineers proved that they haven't just built an off-roader. They have engineered an indestructible digital sanctuary, designed to completely isolate the human occupant from the violent topographical warfare raging outside. To truly comprehend how a vehicle survives a free-fall impact without relying on a traditional, heavyweight steel ladder frame, we must conduct a deep forensic autopsy of its skeletal architecture. If you converse with any traditional off-road purist, whether they are navigating the harsh Australian outback or the unforgiving British countryside, they will adamantly, almost religiously, defend the body-on-frame design. They will argue that a chassis must physically twist, groan, and flex to keep the tires pressed against the mud and rocks. But the fundamental laws of physics are uncompromising. And this century-old engineering philosophy comes with a devastating biological cost. Flexing metal inherently compromises structural integrity and passenger comfort. Every single time a heavy ladder frame twists over a boulder, that kinetic energy doesn't just disappear. It is violently transferred upwards, directly through the rubber body mounts and into the human spine. The doors rattle in their frames, the steering column violently kicks back against your wrists, and the driver's central nervous system is subjected to hours of exhausting, low-frequency NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. This constant physical punishment severely drains cognitive focus. The Deepal G318 treats this analog methodology as a complete engineering dinosaur. When we put the G318's unibody structure under the microscope, we find an architectural paradigm shift that achieves a terrifying, almost incomprehensible torsional rigidity of 45,000 Newton meters per degree. To put that catastrophic number into perspective, a traditional rugged off-roader might struggle to hit 15,000 downless nem de grasse, while a carbon fiber European track hypercar sits around 40,000. How did Chinese engineers achieve hypercar rigidity in a large, heavy vehicle designed to smash through rivers and jagged ravines? They weaponized the battery pack. Instead of bolting a heavy, vulnerable lithium pack beneath the floor pan as a parasitic dead weight, which creates a dangerous pendulum effect, the engineering team utilized a true cell-to-chassis, or CTC, matrix. They fused the battery enclosure directly into the core load-bearing structure using aerospace-grade EASE, ultra-high-strength boron steel. The power source itself acts as an impenetrable structural spine. The battery casing is no longer just a box. It is the primary tension-bearing member of the vehicle. For the human being sitting in the captain's chair, the psychological and physical impact of this engineering is profound. When you articulate this massive vehicle over a deep crater, suspending a wheel completely in thin air, the cabin remains an immovable, silent vault. There is absolutely no flex. The driver experiences the acoustic isolation and structural solidity of a flagship luxury executive saloon. completely insulated from the mechanical trauma and topographical warfare that would normally shatter the human body over a long wilderness expedition. Surviving a physical impact is only half the battle in extreme environments. The other half is surviving the unforgiving atmosphere. There is an invisible, silent enemy that systematically destroys traditional internal combustion engines in the wilderness: oxygen deprivation. If you drive a naturally aspirated or even a highly turbocharged V6 engine up a high-altitude mountain pass, the engine begins to suffer from severe mechanical hypoxia. As the air thins out, combustion efficiency plummets drastically, and the vehicle lethargically loses up to 30% of its horsepower. For a human driver navigating a treacherous a steep incline, pressing the throttle and feeling nothing but a strained, breathless gasp from the engine block induces a genuine, deep-seated psychological panic. You can physically feel the machine dying beneath you. The Deepal G318 bypasses this atmospheric limitation entirely by utilizing a highly advanced range-extended electric vehicle, or REEVOM, architecture. It is absolutely crucial to understand that the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine sitting under the bonnet is strictly forbidden from physically driving the wheels. It has zero mechanical linkage to the front or rear axles. Instead, it serves purely as a highly optimized thermodynamic generator. It operates strictly within its peak thermal efficiency window, acting as an onboard power plant to constantly feed the ultra-dense battery pack and the dual electric motors. Because electric stators and magnetic rotors do not need to breathe oxygen to generate massive amounts of torque, the G318 possesses a terrifyingly unfair advantage over nature. The laws of atmospheric pressure simply do not apply to it, whether you are at sea level in the punishing, scorching heat of the African savanna, or navigating a freezing, oxygen-starved pass at 4,000 meters in the Himalayas. The power delivery is relentlessly identical. The human brain quickly learns that the vehicle is entirely immune to the elements. This engineering eradicates the traditional anxiety of engine stalling or overheating, replacing it with a quiet, supreme confidence that only uninterrupted electric torque can provide. Endurance driving in an off-road environment is fundamentally a war of attrition against human biology. The constant vertical impacts, the harsh resonant vibrations, and the violent lateral head toss physically drain the driver's cognitive focus and muscular stamina. Medical science dictates that prolonged exposure to frequencies between 4 and 8 Hz causes severe spinal fatigue and motion sickness. European automakers traditionally attempt to solve this analog problem simply by adding thicker seat foam and softer steel springs, which only creates a wallowing, boat-like ride that exacerbates nausea. The deep engineering brilliance of the G318 lies in how it mathematically intercepts kinetic energy before it can ever contaminate the passenger cell. The vehicle employs a highly sophisticated Mauch active air suspension system harmonized perfectly with continuous damping control, or CDC. This is not a reactive mechanical setup. It is a cognitive, predictive computational system. Onboard telemetry scanners, cameras, and inertial measurement units are actively reading the topography of the road hundreds of times every single second. When the front tires strike a jagged rock at 60 miles per hour, the CDC valves do not wait for the impact to travel up the chassis. They open and close in fractions of a millisecond, independently adjusting the hydraulic pressure inside the individual dampers to physically swallow and dissipate the kinetic spike. For the driver and passengers, this creates an unnatural, almost ghostly illusion of hovering over the terrain. The human vestibular system, the delicate, highly sensitive organs in your inner ear responsible for spatial orientation and balance, is effectively hacked and tricked. Because the human brain isn't constantly bracing the neck and spine for physical impact, muscular fatigue drops to near zero. You can pilot this machine across a brutally corrugated dirt track for 10 hours straight and step out of the cabin feeling as though you just completed a leisurely, perfectly smooth drive down a freshly paved British motorway. The final, ultimate frontier of off-road mastery is the relentless pursuit of traction. For decades, the only viable way to climb a slippery, mud-slicked rock face was to manually engage a heavy low-range transfer case, forcefully lock the mechanical differentials, and aggressively spin the tires, praying that brute friction and momentum would drag the heavy chassis forward. It was a violent, unpredictable process that demanded highly specialized, almost intuitive driving skills, often resulting in snapped axles and shredded tires. Deepal has rendered this entire analog process completely obsolete through sheer algorithmic dominance. The G318 completely abandons the heavy physical prop shafts connecting the front and rear of the vehicle. Instead, it relies on entirely independent electric motors governed by a central processing unit executing millions of complex calculations per second. We have officially entered the era of the digital differential. Mechanical systems have latency. It takes time for steel gears to interlock. Digital systems operate at the speed of light. When a tire loses traction on wet clay, the system detects the microscopic variation in rotational speed instantly. In less time than it takes a human being to blink, the computer completely cuts power to the slipping wheel and diverts 100% of the available torque to the tires that still have purchase on the rock. There is no grinding of gears, no terrifying backward slide, and absolutely no dramatic wheel spin. The vehicle simply, silently pulls itself upward against gravity. For the driver sitting in the plush, digitally connected cabin, the sensation is almost supernatural. You point the steering wheel at an impossible, terrifying obstacle, gently press the accelerator pedal, and the computational logic does the heavy lifting. It democratizes extreme performance, allowing the human being at the center of the machine to remain perfectly in control, perfectly safe, and completely undisturbed by the mechanical chaos happening outside the windows.